How to fix Messenger people option not showing. Hello everybody, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. This problem could have occurred due to server problem sometimes. If this is the case, you cannot do anything but wait. But if the next problem or the next cause of the problem could be your Wi-Fi connection, make sure you have a stable internet connection. If you are facing trouble with your internet connection, you can turn on flight mode for a few seconds and turn it off again. The next step is simply uninstall Messenger application and reinstall it back, and your problem should be fixed. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.